Yo, I had a dream that the world changed, and for a minute there was no pain. Instead of presidents and old sayings, I heard lyrics from Kurt Cobain. Then I wake up to see the world's ill, oceans tainted from the oil spill. How many kids have these wars killed? How many families can't afford bills? I wish that I could let the world know that it's okay to let the pain show. And even though times seem bad, it always rains before the rainbow.
I screamed at the top of my lungs, but my voice couldn't save this home. You're proud of the guns you hold. What's left now? Where can we go?
I think we all
need a little more love.
I think we all
Need a little more love.
we just need
Little more love.
the world needs.
Little more love.
Kells, in my hood, money equals power. And in the world, money controls everything we believe in. I can see we're in our darkest hour, cause it feels like the government just as crooked as the police. I spent the weekend catching up on the news. A girl committed suicide after she was bullied at school, cause some dudes told her she wasn't cool. But you would rather gossip about a famous person breaking the rules. I'm confused. Tell me, is my life's price worth the jewels? They told me fight night, I'm supposed to lose, just cause in hindsight, they don't like my type. White boy with some rhythm and blues. Kells.
I screamed at the top of my lungs, but my voice couldn't save this home. You're proud of the guns you hold. What's left now? Where can we go?
I think we all just need.
Need a little more love.
I think we all just need.
Need a little more love.
Yeah, we just need.
Little more love.
Yeah, the world needs.
Little more love.
You can give up like they tell you, stop like they tell you, be scared to dream for the top like they tell you. But I'm trying to tell you, fuck what they tell you.
I think we are. And in these dark times, as a part of a generation they claim can't be saved, it's important to know we're not blind. We see the truth through blue and dark eyes, and I would rather